Hello guys, this is the video on software called Foxit Reader. If you heard before, it's actually a PDF documents reader which is very popular these days amongst user, and it's a very lightweight software which use very small bit amount of your RAM, and it's not a load on your processor or something. It's very lightweight and easy to use. So if I just quickly show you some of its basic thing. When you first started, it says that welcome to Foxit Reader, and I just open a PDF file, just a random PDF file. So if you see that it's you open my PDF document and showing me everything. This page initially left blank, and the table of contents, it's about BitTorrent, so give me everything about BitTorrent. I really like to read PDF documents. I don't know if you, but it's actually a very good thing to read PDF documents and get knowledge. So in the left column here, there are some options in it, a taskbar in it. If I just click the first one, then it give me a tree structure of my file. First the BitTorrent, and I just click plus and it give me the chapter wise everything in it. Okay, and if I just click second option, then it give me the and it's highlighted the area in the section I am just right now. So if I go to click on page 8, and it will come on page 8, and if I just drag down, if I just go to the last area of the system on the so from there thing may get the list of layers or something from this option. So these three options here, and if you want to view comments in the document, so you can view this. First taskbar, first one is about file, open, create, close, the basic one, and email if you want to do email, if you want to save the file, print the document or whatever. If you want to edit, attach a file, add image, add movie, so you can do from here. And if you want to link something, so you can do it here. I will not go all of them because I don't have much enough time to teach you about all of the options, so you will have to understand by yourself. So if you want to see comments, the comments section is here also, and here also. So forms, export form data, JavaScript console. It's actually a very common using software. If you heard about Adobe Acrobat Reader, so but that software cost very much, but this software costs nothing, a penny. So from here you also open a PDF file. From here you want to print the document. If you want, click on here if you want to email to someone this PDF. So from here you have an option. New profiles have been created. To create a new profile, use the mail icon in the control panel, Microsoft Office Outlook. So in order to use this functionality, you must have Microsoft Office Outlook, which is always present in thing here. Microsoft, if you have MS Office store on your system. So next option is about the arrow, which is showing you the up arrow. If I click it, it will go up a PDF file again up. If you see the current file here, and if I also show you the page, it is now in the 6th page, and I click here and will go up to the 5th page and again to the 4th page. If I just move down, then it will move down to the 6th page. So, and this option will return to the previous view. Okay, if I should come back to the 5th. So I don't know what these options can do, but if I click it, it will rotate. I don't know why. But okay, the main option which I like most about the zoom in thing present in there. First option is zoom out and zoom in tool, which is a very basic, like Windows Picture Effects Viewer. These two are very basic. And the last option which I like most, it's called magnifier. On a document, so this give me a huge globe, and if I just click somewhere, then it will give you text. So it's actually, and if I write, then it becomes more and more bigger. This is the smallest. Okay, this is actually a very cool thing. The loop tool will show you the preview in the loop box here. If you notice, as I am moving and it's showing me a cool thing to have. The hand mark, which always let you to split your document something. Okay, if you want to read the whole document as file, click here and it become a text file without any images or movies or things. Fiber movie will, so just click here and come back. Okay, from here you have to take a picture or something if I random area, and the selected area has been copied to the clipboard. So this area has been copied to the, I don't know, the clipboard. If I deselect also, it's very you can find the text. If I just do a random search file, then show that this is present here, and these options are so it's I teach you the basic of. If you want more, please subscribe, or to me if you have any problem in this software, I will do my best to teach you about that. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Thank you.